So just for everybody who's watching us, what is an exotic currency pair? It's not anything exotic. It's just simply a term we use in the Forex market. So we have the major currency pairs, which are just euro, yen, pound, euro, yen, pound, Swiss, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and New Zealand dollar. And really, you would say to yourself, well, why are those major currency pairs? It's not that they're major economies. Only Europe and US and Japan are really major economies. China is a big economy. India is a much bigger economy. The UK is a tiny little economy in the relative world. Why is it considered to be a major pair? All of that is because of history. It's just simply historical precedent. Though this was the foundational currencies that everybody traded in the currency market when it first started. So that's why they're called the majors. And as you notice, by the way, 5 of them are basically British colony currencies. I mean, New Zealand, there are more people in my zip code than there are in the whole country of New Zealand, yet the currency is very liquid and everybody trades it because of history. So when we talk about exotics, we're really talking about upcoming development countries like Mexico, like South Africa, like even Scandinavias, which are not even developing countries, which are developed countries, but they're just considered to be exotic pairs. And challenge number 2 for our competitors today is to find an exotic currency pair that they like and express a view. So Dirk was telling us about really interesting reasons for why he wants to be long the Norwegian krona, because not only because oil may be bouncing and it's a very, very correlated currency pair to the oil, but because the Norwegian central bank is much more hawkish, certainly much more hawkish than the ECB, which is going to remain stationary for as long as we all probably live. And therefore, if the Norwegian central bank raises rates, usually the key thing you have to understand about Forex is that when rates are raised, it's not one time and done. It's a continuous cycle. So the spread between the euro and the krona is going to expand. It's going to become a very, very lucrative carry trade for anybody long that position.